Your dictation will start in 5 seconds at the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir, even when I look at that time, I am addressing you. Stop. Hera. Now comes the question of criteria. Stop. The economic criteria of the various communities were taken into consideration by the Mandal Commission. Stop. So far as the question of individuals benefiting from reservations is concerned, once an individual benefits from it, then his or her children should not benefit from reservations. I would like to ask who has made such a demand. Stop. Has any backward class demanded it? Stop. Has anyone belonging to scheduled caste demanded it? Stop. But they do not have any group. Stop. Had there been any collective demands, they would have also sat under a tent on the boat club as others do, even for petty demands. Stop. They have never demanded anything. Stop. But there are classes who do not have any problem, but even then they are given facilities and concessions. Stop. It is just like giving an injection to a healthy man. Stop. Truly speaking, even if some of them might have succeeded in becoming officer, collector, or superintendent of police, people belonging to this class would have dared to approach the police station to lodge their complaint. Stop. We want to break their moral. Stop. What else do we want to do? Stop. If a few of them whose forefathers could not even dream of imparting education to their children have been able to give good education to their children, the vested interests say it should be stopped. Stop. Does that mean that at best this class should provide peons and no officers? Stop. Now that something is being done for the upliftment of the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and the backward classes, the vested interests think that they should be crushed so that their economic conditions remain same and they are able to give bare minimum education to their children. Stop. Consequently, they will fill up only class 4 and class 3rd posts. Stop. They want to keep them away from getting top education. Stop. This is true. Stop. I agree with Shri Indrajit Gupta. Stopera. There is an apprehension that those who have got good education among these classes would one day become strong and powerful and will capture all spheres of activities. Stop. Had they been so powerful and rich, the percentage of the backward class in the class first service would have been more than the 4.5%, and that of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes would have been more than 8.5%. Stop. Despite all efforts, we have not been able to achieve much. Stop.